Good morning once again to all my dear students. Today in this series, I will teach you present continuous tense. As you can see at the top of the slide, it is written present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense shows any work is going on at present. So, in simple, the definition of present continuous tense is that present continuous tense shows that the work is going on. Present continuous tense shows that the work is going on. Last day I have told you to know how to solve tense. At first we have to point out to the structure of any tenses. So we will point out to the structure of present continuous tense. At first, subject plus ismr plus verb before, and if object will come, we will write object. Listen once again. Subject plus ismr plus verb before plus object. Okay. So if the subject will be singular, we will use is. If the subject will be plural, we will use are. If the subject will be I, we will use am. Then again we will use verb before. Verb before means verb plus ing. Verb before means verb plus ing. And then again object. Then again object. Understand once again? Subject plus is, am, are plus verb before plus object. Now see some example. The stars. Here the subject is plural. The stars, here the subject is plural. So the subject is plural, we will use the stars are shining. Here the subject is plural, so we will use plural verb are. And then again verb before. It is raining. Here subject is it and it is a singular. It is raining. Here subject is it and it is singular, so it will take is. It is raining plus before. Daddy is playing. Daddy, here it is the name of a character, daddy, and daddy is a singular because it denotes one, so it takes singular verb is and then again verb before. Okay. Now see next. The officer is going to office. Here the officer is singular, so it will take singular verb plus verb before plus complement. The teacher is teaching. Here the subject is the teacher. Here the subject is the teacher and plus verb singular because the subject is singular plus before. Now see the structure of present continuous tense in negative, and there is nothing much change in the structure of affirmative to negative. We have to add only s after auxiliary verb and it becomes negative sentence. Remember one thing, there is nothing much change in present in the structure of present continuous negative from affirmative. We will add only not after auxiliary verb and it becomes a structure of negative sentence, such as subject plus is, am, are plus not plus before plus object. The same singular verb takes is, plural verb takes are, I takes am, and then again not plus verb before. Verb before means verb plus ing. Such as I am not reading. Here I is subject, so I is followed by am in present continuous tense only. I is followed by am and then again not and then again verb before. See next. They are not playing. Here the subject is they and it is a plural subject, so it will take are plus not plus verb before. We are watering the plants. Here the subject is we and we is a plural subject plus before plus object the plants. Now the structure of yes no question. Now the structure of yes no question. Okay. The structure of yes no question, it is very simple. It is clearly explained in the last video that if you want to make yes no question, then at first you have to put auxiliary verb in the beginning, then again subject. So here we are going to understand the structure of yes no question in present continuous tense only. So if you want to form if you want to form yes no question of present continuous, then again you have to write is, am, are plus subject. If the sentence is yes no negative, you will write not after subject plus verb before plus object. Do not forget to put a question mark. Is he singing a song? Here is used for he, then again before, then again an object, last sign of interrogation. Next, are they doing their work? Here the subject is are and it is a plural subject, so it will take they. It is a plural verb, so it takes plural subject. So are they doing their work? Are plural verb, they plural subject plus verb before plus object. Are they running? The same. They is a plural subject, it takes plural verb, then again verb before. Now present continuous tense structure of WH word. There are about 9 WH words in which who is used always as a subject, and when it is used as a subject it always takes singular verb. Remember one thing, who is WH word, who is a subject and it always takes singular verb. So if want to make question from who, then at first you have to write who plus is plus before plus object. Remember one thing, is plus before, because who is a singular subject, such as who is calling you, who is throwing stones, who is calling you, who is throwing a stone. Who is throwing stones? Question mark. So these are the example of WH word who. Now see the example of other WH word. Other WH word is, am, are plus subject plus verb before plus object and then again question. Then again question mark. Other WH word plus is, am, are plus subject plus verb before plus object plus question mark. Other WH word used as either an adverb particle or either an object, but it will not use as a subject. You can see that subject is written and according to subject you have to put a verb. So WH word plus ismr plus subject plus verb before plus object, such as why are you go, where are you going? Here the subject is you and according to you we will use are. What are you doing? Here the subject is you and according to you we will use are. Why is she crying? Here the subject is she, so according to she we will use is plus before. Guess whom am I going to marry? Here the subject is I, not whom. So these are the structure of present continuous, and I hope you have understood the structure of present continuous. Now timing words. As I have already mentioned in the last video, to easily understand which tense it will be take in the sentence, you have to pinpoint on the timing word. In most cases, timing word will be work. In most cases, if you have learned that timing word and you will identify in the sentence, you are easy to use tenses. So there are some words that shows there are some words that shows present continuous tense, such as at present, now, nowadays, these days, at the moment, in the present time. These are the words that shows present continuous tense welcome, such as what are you doing now? Here, now shows that the present continuous tense will come. They are spreading rumor at present. Here at present shows that present continuous tense welcome. There are some words that are not used in simple present tense. They take there are some words that do, there are some words that do not use in present continuous tense. There are some words that does not use in a present continuous tense. There are some words that are not used in present continuous tense. So it will take simple present tense. So it will take simple present tense. Okay. Remember one thing. There are some words that are not used in present continuous tense. They take simple present tense. Okay. Such as hear, understand, smell, taste, feel, know, want, hear, see, appear, seem, mean, love, hate, think, etc. etc means there are some more words that do not use in continuous, so it will take simple present tense. Okay, such as I think, they know the reality. She loves me. Still she loves. It is a continuous, but we will use simple present tense. We don't understand. Still we are not understanding, but we will use simple present tense. She sees her future. It means right now she is looking for her future, but we will use it in a simple present tense. It seems to me. We will also not use seems in a present continuous. We will use it in a simple present tense. The questions appears wrong. We want justice. So these are the example of the verb that does not use in present continuous, that does not use in any continuous. So you have to use it in a simple present. Okay, I hope you have understood present continuous tense. Okay, thank you.